How to put the same song on multiple Instagram story. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. So without any delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So the first thing is you need to launch your Instagram app and log into your app from where you want to post the multiple Instagram stories. So after that, just swipe to the left and here you'll be able to see the story option. Just keep it up the story, and on the left side at the bottom you'll be able to find photo section. So you just need to select photos from there, from your album section. When you click on that album section, you should be able to see this select option. Just tap on select and select up to how much photos you want to select. I'm selecting 3 for now. After that, you'll be able to see layout and separate. We're going to select the separate for now, and you can see these 3 pictures on my Instagram. So what you're going to do is simply tap on add music. After that, it will automatically add music. I'm going to choose this song right here. After that, click on done, and when that is done, you can see you can use that song in each of them. You may just use that song feature, add music. You may just lay out it accordingly, adjust like this, or just as like this with the sync, and you should be able to post it on multiple songs. Just tap on next and tap on share, and it should be posted at once, the 3 of the pictures with the music. So tap on done and it should be posted. So therefore, just follow the steps and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.